Hello.
Hello again. Good morning. Welcome again. Welcome to our class. We are now in our science. Are you ready for our science? And we have here Dan, Hannah, Matt, Harry, Shane. Hello.
Hello,
Are you
Oti.
ready for your science?
Morning.
Okay. I want to know if you know what day is today. If you know what day is today, today is Friday.
Friday.
Right? Is Friday a happy day or no? Friday is a happy day. Yes, because tomorrow is Saturday, right? And you can rest tomorrow? Okay, so Friday is a happy day. And because today is Friday, for today's science, I will not let you write anything, but I want you to cooperate. I will share here very important, very interesting topic. I want you to understand this one first before I will give you a worksheet for this one, okay? Because we are always running out of time. I want you to understand first this topic before I will give you worksheet for this one, okay? All you have to do this time is to listen and understand and answer if I have a question, okay? Just listen. No, you will not write, no worksheet and no books, okay? Just listen. So, hello, Pat. Okay, Pat is already there. Okay, are you ready? Just listen and understand our topic. Nika, you already there? Think okay, Pat. So, Harry. Okay, I will check first your attendance. Just a minute. Okay, 10, Pat, then you receive 10 star. 5 star. Also, Pat, 5 star. And also, Matt, I will give you 5 star. Also, Anna can receive 5 star. Nisha can receive 5 star. And for Harris, I will also give you 5 star. And for those who are here, Shane can receive also 5 star. Okay? And also, Tin, who's Mass, also can receive 5 stars. So all of you receive 5 stars from me. Okay? And if you have many 10 stars already, I will give you an frame or a gift. Okay? Okay, so you need to always attend our Zoom class so you can receive a gift. Okay, now let's start. I prepared this one for you. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us start. I want you to listen to this one because I will give you a worksheet for this. And I want you to understand this one first. Okay, living and non-living things. This is our topic for today, okay? Living and non-living things. Okay, let's start. Okay, you know living and non-living things? Not yet? Okay, I will need you to understand living and non-living things. What is living things and non-living things, okay? You have to listen so you can know how to answer your next worksheet. Okay, I want you first to listen this one. Okay, listen to this one first. This is about
Apu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
Living things grow, living things breathe, living things reproduce, and living things eat. Living things have their very habitat. Living things one day die a death. There are some of the things that make a
this one is
living
living
thing.
things. Okay, all of this picture that you can see here are living
some of the things that make a non-living thing.
Okay? It cannot reproduce. It cannot move by itself.
The chair and the table, the car and the sand mound, the rock and the pebbles in the playground, all lie motionless and cannot move till someone pushes or gives them a pull. Lifeless and still they remain without a change. These are some of the things that make a non-living thing.
Okay, this one. Okay, you like it? Okay, this video is about living and non-living things.
Living things.
Okay, living and non-living thing. Now let us check about, let's learn the difference between living and non-living things. Okay, let's learn the difference between living and non-living things.
Living things.
Appu has the
Okay, now let's learn the difference between living and non-living things. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let us first discuss about living things. Okay, living things, things that have life are living things. Things that have life are living things. Can move, can grow, needs food, okay, can reproduce, can breathe, okay? These are living things, okay? We are living things as human beings. Now let's go to this one. Things can move. Let us check an example here that things can move, okay? Things can move, okay? Human beings move using their legs, okay? So we are living things because we can move. Human beings are living things because we can move, okay? And also animals are living things because also they can move. Animals use their legs to move. Okay? Animals are living things. Okay, also snakes crawls. So also snakes are living things. Snakes belongs to living things. Living things, okay? You have to remember living things can breathe, can move, can reproduce, needs food and water, okay? You have to remember that one. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, so also fish swim. Fish swim in the water. So fish also are living things because fish can move. Okay, fish can move. Also fish needs water and needs food. And let's go to this one. Living things can grow. Let us check an example about living things can grow. Okay, so living things can grow. Look at this one. We are all from child, okay? We are all from child and we grow. We become, we are all from baby. We are all from baby and we will grow. We will become a child, okay? And after we become a child, we will become a man. So we are growing. All of human beings are growing. So we are living things, okay? Because we are growing, okay? Now let's go to this one. Animals also are living things. Animals are living things because animals also are growing. Okay, look at this one. From cow and turn into cow, okay? So the animals are growing, okay? They are just like us. We are from baby to child to a man. And this one, from cow to cow. So they are living things are growing. Okay? Now let's go to this one. trees also are living things. Trees are living things because trees are growing. Trees are growing. Okay, we have here from seed. Okay, the trees start from the seed, and the trees become a plant and it turn into tree. So trees are growing. So trees are living things because also trees can need food, can reproduce, and it is growing. Also, the trees are breathing, okay? Living things need food and water. Let us check this one, okay? Living things needs food and water. Okay, so let us check an example here. Okay, human beings. Okay, human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Okay, we as human being, we are human being, you are human being. Okay, we depend upon plants and animals for our food. So we are living things. Okay, we are living things because we need food, we need water, we can grow, we can move. Okay, we can move. Okay, living things can move like that. Okay, so we are living things. Okay, and we can breathe. Okay, we can breathe. Living things can breathe like, okay, if you can breathe, if anything can breathe and needs food and water, it means that is living things. Okay, living things. Okay, so we are human beings are living things. And also look at this one. The plants also needs foods, right? So plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Okay. Also plants are living things because also plants are eating. Okay. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Okay, so plants are living things. Living things can, let us check an example of living things can breathe. Okay, living things can breathe. Okay, we are breathing, right? Human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. So we are breathing using our lungs. We are breathing, right? Can you breathe? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so we are living things because living things can breathe. Okay, so human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. Okay, okay, now let's go to this one. Animals can breathe. Also animals can breathe. Okay, they give oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is the cycle of how animals breathing, okay? Animals also are breathing. So animals are living things, okay? Animals need food. Animals can grow and can reproduce. So animals, just like us, we are living things, okay? Okay, let us check this one. Animals, living things can reproduce. Okay, we look at this one. And living things also can reproduce. Okay, we are talking about living things. Okay, I want to check first if you can say the words living things. Okay, Tan, can you say the words living things, Tan? Living things. Can you say Tan? Tan? Living things. 10, answer 10. 10, come on. Living things. Living things. Okay, come on, 10. Living. Okay. Living. Okay, very good. Shane. Shane, living things. Can you say it, Shane? Shane. Yes, living things. Okay. And how about Mas? Can you say the words living things, Mas? Living things.
Living things.
Living things. Okay. Living things. Okay, very good. And how? Okay, very good, Mas. And how about Anna? Can I hear you say living things? Anna? Living things. Okay, very good. How about Pat? Living things. Pat?
Can you
answer, Pat? Can you say the word living things? And?
Things.
Okay, living things. Living things. Okay, very good. How about item? Item, can you see the words living things, item? Living things. Living things. Okay, very good. So, all you have to do is to say the words so you can know what we are talking in here. Okay, we can understand. Now, let's continue. Let's continue, okay? Okay. 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 Okay, we can reproduce. Okay, living things can reproduce. We are now in living things can reproduce.
Yes. Living things
okay, human being. Okay, a woman gives birth to a baby. So, women are living things. Okay, human beings can living things because we can reproduce. Also, a cat gives birth to a kitten. Okay, living things because a cat can reproduce. Okay, also birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into an adult. Okay, this one also, birds also are living things. Okay, now let's go to how do we know if something's non-living things? How do we know if something are non-living things? Okay, non-living things is non-living things can move or cannot move?
Not move.
Cannot move. Okay, non-living things cannot move. Okay, non-living things cannot move. And also, is non-living things can grow? Yes or no? No, non-living things cannot grow. And non-living things can reproduce? Yes or no? No. No. Okay, no nutrients. Okay, no nutrients. And also, non-living things cannot reproduce? Yes or no? No. Cannot reproduce, okay? And cannot breed. So, non-living things cannot move, cannot reproduce, cannot breed. Okay? So, let's look an example of non-living things. Let's check an example of non-living things. You know microphone? Is microphone, you know this one? Is microphone can move? Can move the microphone? Can breathe? No. So the answer here is X. Okay, so microphone is X because non-living. This microphone has nutrients. This microphone has nutrients. Non-living thing. This one, microphone, no nutrients. So is microphone living things or non-living things? Microphone, living things or non-living things?
Microphone มีชีวิตหรือไม่มีชีวิต
Non-living. Non-living.
Living things.
Is microphone non-living things or living things? Non-living things, right? Nietzsche, answer already. Shane, microphone living things or non-living things? Okay, non-living things, okay? Okay, microphone is also non-living things. Okay, let's try some more example. The table also is non-living things, right? Because table cannot move, table no nutrients, and also table cannot grow. Also table is non-living things, okay? And also table cannot reproduce. Okay, this one are non-living things, okay? No life. Okay, how about this one? Monkey. Monkeys living things or non-living things? Living things. Make living things because monkeys can move, can breathe, okay? And how about this one? Pencil. Is your pencil living things or non-living things? This one, living things. This one has no life, right? This one is egg. It's not non-living things. And how about this one? A teacher and a student. Human beings are living things or non-living things? Living things, okay? We are living things, okay? Human beings are living things. And how about this one? Is this living things or non-living things? All these things. Living things or non-living things? No, yes, this one is non-living things, okay? So I hope you understand now what is living and non-living things. And you are ready to answer our worksheet next week, okay? So this is all for today, my kids. And thank you so much, okay, for listening and for your cooperation. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Oh, see you again on Monday, okay? Okay, thank you, Kiko. I love you.
I have some questions.
Yes, yes. Yes, ka.
Exercise.
Yeah, only, yeah, I answered, yeah, only the 4 people.
Only
You
4
are-
people.
You will only, yeah, you will only color measuring gadgets for people.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you measuring scale for people. Okay, Ka, thank you. Okay, is there any question? I already answered. Okay, thank you. Bye, Kiko. I love you. Bye. Thank you for listening. Okay, thank you. Bye. Our time is up.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.